guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so grateful for you guys because you showed so much love on my first video and I'm beyond words. But ये vlog is going to be about one of the things जो मैंने डाली थी अपने 2026 विजन बोर्ड में. 2025 निकल रहा है अभी तक, 2026 विजन बोर्ड में, which is dance. So it's my first workshop of the year and it's gonna be amazing. It's a semi-classical workshop by Jay and it's gonna be amazing. Hopefully. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितना actually vlog कर पाऊँगी during the whole workshop because I don't know if I'm allowed to or if I'm confident to do that. But I'm going to try and let's see what happens. Now let's get ready. So the dress I have selected is this one, which is stolen. Okay, मेरे पास ज़्यादा कोई dresses है नहीं actually अभी फ़िलहाल, so I'm taking everything that my mom has. So that's it. Okay, I'll just change and come back. So I have the kurti and it's pretty. I love my mom's choices, especially in Indian wear. So I'm gonna wear lenses actually because डांस करते टाइम फिर वो बहुत पसीना हो जाता है and everything, so lenses are needed. Hopefully मुझे मिल जाए honestly. And they are dried up. I have to use the new one. Same they have. Yes. Almost I wear lenses so rarely honestly. तो जितनी बार मैं दूसरी बार पहनने जाती हूँ तो स्टार्ट विद द न्यू वन, बिकॉज वो ट्राई हो चुके होते हैं तब तक. हो गया लेंसेज मेरे इतने इजीली. इट माइट बी यू गाइस, पता है वरना मेरे आधे घंटे तक निकल जाते हैं खाली वो लेंस बैठाने में. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज द हेयर बिकॉज अभी तो फिलहाल फुल फ्रीज हो चुके हैं. अभी हेयर वॉश किए तो इट्स ऑल नॉट एंटायरली ड्राई येट. Hair dryer or something. मुझे इतना खास फर्क रहने नहीं वाला. Just use some serum to settle it. I think it will work. Hope. I know you guys are gonna get annoyed with me saying hopefully so much. Pretty much done because ज़्यादा कुछ करने का कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Everything is gonna be not even makeup. It's gonna be some just a layer of primer and all. Where is my primer? Yes. K Beauty. मेरे almost सारी चीज़ें K Beauty की है. I'm in love with the brand. इनकी चीज़ें इतनी अच्छी है, मेरी स्किन को जो सूट करती है. ओ गॉड, लव 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 लव. the amount of K products I use, K Beauty should really send me a PR at least. कोलैब तो चलो दूर की बात है, बट PR पैकेज तो मिल सकता है यार. Next, K Beauty brush. Okay, I love this color as well. It's matte blush coral charm. It works like a charm, honestly. I love it. Love it. And lastly, some setting powder so that जितना भी normal है उतना रहे, just not go. Again K Beauty by the way. I have everything K Beauty. Look at my skin. एकदम ऐसे I love the setting spray. अरे कुछ नहीं बना तो भी कभी कभी I spray it. Sounds stupid but I love it. My lipstick. I have to get it in the eyes. K Beauty. It's the shade. What shade is it? Dreamer. It's very close to my lip shade. And so I love it. I think the face is done. Can't stop admiring myself. Your wig style. I have this really good one which I will wear, but not right now. I'll just get it जब वहाँ पे last में जब shoot करेंगे तब I'll wear, because otherwise it will keep hurting my ear and keep getting in my hair. But yeah, cuties. So we are ready actually. We don't have anything else to do. I actually need to shoot for my Insta, so I'll do that and then have something to eat before the workshop as well. And I'll see you guys there. Hi guys, shoot के लिए I had actually made the whole set come together. So this is my final look. I'm not going to actually carry the dupatta there because I cannot really manage one. But it looks so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna be very late, so see you there. पहुंच चुके हैं, but हम काफ़ी late है, so I have no time to actually talk to you guys much. So I don't know कितना मैं करूँगी, but let's see. बैक फ्रॉम द वर्कशॉप, और ये वो हाल है जिसकी मैं बात कर रही थी. बहुत पसीना होता है, सो दिस इज वेरी नॉर्मल आफ्टर अ वर्कशॉप, बट इट वाज सो मच फन. आई एम सो हैप्पी. फर्स्ट वर्कशॉप ऑफ 2026. सबसे लाइक happiest part was just being there, honestly. But एक एक स्टेप नहीं हो रहा था मुझसे. सबसे सिंपलेस्ट एंड द हुक स्टेप मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था. 3 बार वीडियो ली थी मैंने, तीनों बार सेम मिस्टेक है. एक में थोड़ी कम है, so maybe I'll just cut it or something. I don't know, but I might not even cut it. I might just post it like it because I am not perfect. But yeah, I am gonna practice this more, perfect the choreography and shoot it properly. Filal, I'm very 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 tired, but if you have something to do, you're just waiting कि हाँ अभी टाइम मिलेगा तो करेंगे, तब करेंगे, वो करेंगे. Don't do that, do it. Because मैं इतने वर्कशॉप्स डिले कर रही थी कि भाई नहीं, पहले थोड़ी पतली हो जाती हूँ, पहले ये काम है वो काम है. I should not do that because your body also stops working that way, you know. अभी मतलब यही चीज़ अगर मैंने पहले की होती थोड़े टाइम से तो मेरे बॉडी में जो वो क्या बोलते हैं लचक आनी चाहिए थी वो होती. अभी आई एम मिसिंग ऑन सम पॉइंट. स्पीड कम रह जाती है, उतना स्टेमिना नहीं रहा है बॉडी में. सो आई हैव मिस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हाइल नॉट डूइंग दिस वर्कशॉप्स, बट नो वरीज. अभी मैं करूँगी एंड विल गेट टू दैट लेवल. अभी फिलहाल आई डोंट थिंक आई एम एबल टू कॉल माई सेल्फ अ डांसर, बट आई एम ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ डांसर. सो अच्छा चलो, I'm gonna change and I'm gonna sleep because I'm very 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 tired. I'll see you tomorrow because we have another workshop. It's a Shahzan Khan's workshop on Dil Dunga, and oh my god, see, classical is still something that I can do. The Bollywood, hip hop and all that, I think I'm really bad at it. I've done just one workshop I think in that kind of sense, so let's see. We will see. Okay, I'm very tired, so मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ. So good night. Hi guys, it's Sunday. I have lunch मेरे दादी के यहाँ. Everyone is coming. It's a family lunch and I'm very excited because I haven't met my cousins. मतलब एक को तो मैं काफ़ी मिलती हूँ बिकॉज वो भी ऑफिस में है, बट दूसरे भैया भाभी एंड माय छोटू माहित उनको मैं नहीं मिली हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से. सो इट्स गोना बी फन, बट मेरे को जल्दी निकलने पड़ने वाला है उसमें से भी बिकॉज आई हैव अनदर वर्कशॉप. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. हाय, सो फिलहाल वी आर गोइंग फॉर द लंच. आई एम जस्ट गोना touch up with my skincare, nothing else. This really got the so I'm gonna do that. Yes. We have to be back soon so that I can change and get ready for the workshop. Sunday, guys. My Chattu Mahu. You saw him. So cute. Yes, so now we have to get ready for the workshop. Start by putting up lens again. God. Yeah. Now, change of outfits. Today I'm wearing this green beige cargos with this cardigan, cutesy. I'll come back. And if you're ready, this needs to go, but this is what we are wearing. Cutesy and comfortable for the dance moves. Now, next, some makeup, light makeup like yesterday. Mascara as well today, of course, K-Beauty. Yeah. Lipstick. I'm gonna wear some earrings because I can't go on without earrings. It's my regular hoops. And we are ready. So now I will see you guys there. Maybe not, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा vlog कर नहीं पाती वहाँ. But I'll see you after the workshop. मेरे friend क्या हूँ, आंचल क्या, and we are going for chocolate strawberry workshop. I'll tell you guys later. But फिलहाल we are going for chocolate strawberry. शालमी भी हमको वहीं मिल रही है. So let's go. Hi guys. More interested. तुझे वैसे भी 3 दिखा. We'll see you later. Bag. मैंने आते से पहले एक्चुअली मेरी लेंस निकाली है बिकॉज मेरी आँखें इतनी इरिटेट हो गई थी इतनी थकान से. But we are done with the second workshop and oh my god, I actually genuinely मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि लाइक मुझसे नहीं होगा बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट माई स्टाइल. बट आई वॉज एबल टू. ऑफकोर्स वो पूरा बॉडी टेक्सचर, बॉडी पोस्चर वगैरह नहीं था इतना परफेक्ट. बट आई वॉज एबल टू कोप अप विद द स्टेप्स एंड आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट इट. एंड उसके बाद आई वॉज लाइक मैं घर जा रही थी बट I ended up going to my friend's house. फिर हम लोग chocolate strawberry खाने गए. कुछ ज़्यादा walk नहीं कर पाए because everyone was just interested in eating. But that was my weekend full of dance and friends and family. And I don't know, it was so good. Perfect weekend. Thank you so much. If you are still watching the video, I am so grateful to you guys, and let me know what you want to see next because I really have no clue what I'm gonna do next. But stay tuned and I love you. Latest.